Welcome to Lynn Imaging's How-To video series. Today we're learning how to change the paper in the HP DesignJet T2600DR. From the display, select Paper. This will show you what paper is currently loaded. Select Load. Access the paper spool by pulling the black handle towards you. Lift the spool out and set it upright with the blue cap facing up. Flip the lever on the cap and pull it off of the spindle. Replace the paper roll, making sure that the paper is wrapping clockwise around the spindle. Replace the blue cap and lock it into place. Place the spindle back into the machine with the blue cap on the right, ensuring that the paper feeds over the top of the roll. Now, feed paper into the machine by hand until the printer begins to do it automatically. On the screen, select the paper type, width, and length, then select Finish. The machine will run through its processes and instruct you to close the cover. You have now changed the paper in your HP DesignJet T2600DR.